Ho ho ho! Welcome December! Hello lovely crafters, welcome back to my channel. It's December, so let's make a Santa sleigh. First, let me show you how to draw the pattern without a printer. The dot marks are done, now let's draw it. First, just a simple straight line right here. And here, you can use a ruler or not. And then a shape like this. Doesn't have to be similar as mine. Yours might be better. And done. Let's continue to the bottom part. All the patterns are done. Trace it each twice to the cardboard. Now, before we glue them all together, there's some part I'd like to color. But instead of painting it, I'd rather to cover it with color paper. So this is the seat part. I'm adding the triangle just to make sure it's in shape. Don't worry with the printed part, I'm going to cover it later. And then finish this part, and don't worry of these ugly edges, we're going to cover it later. If you find some glue stains here and there, don't worry, we're going to cover it with some decoration later. That's what decoration all about. It's a camouflage. Now let's continue to the bottom part. For this part, I'm using thinner cardboard, so it's going to look like a blade or something, and some gold carton or any metallic paper. It's gonna look shinier, better than gold paint. enough with the position, mark it with a pencil. And that's where you will put your hot glue on. But of course, Santa will need a soft and puffy chair. So let's make one. There we go. I hope it looks fancy enough. Now let's continue to decorate it. Just remember, the function of decoration is to cover all the flaws and stains. So just decorate it as you like with anything you have at home. As long as it's green, glittery, and gold, it's gonna be just right. Done. How do you like it? Watching. I hope you like it. Don't forget to leave your comment down below and don't forget to like and subscribe. And happy December. Bye.